First, let's start from scratch by importing our video into Shotcut Video Editor, and then drag it to the timeline. Go to View, Export, and make sure it is enabled. The Export tab should be above the timeline. Select the video format to export to from the list. Press the Advanced button. This will let you set the video resolution, frame rate and quality. Click Export File, then choose a destination to save it to. You can see the render progress on the upper right corner. All done. Please subscribe.